Okay, now we will going to talk about some Teams troubleshooting and Teams menus on the RxPad while it's connected to the MTR. We will focus on the left screen, on the Miron account. So on the RxPad we have the full UI of the MTR itself. We can start a meeting, we can make a call, we can share our screen with the HDMI is connected to the RxPad or to the RxV200 itself. We can start a whiteboard, join a call with the meeting ID, and more. I will go now to the Teams menu, to the device menu, to go over the menus of the device. The first initial access to the menu is protected by password. The password is defined out of the box when the device is first booted, and the admin must change the password. The password must be complex, and the device administration access is kept alive for 3 minutes. This is by default, otherwise it will be thrown out, and then you will need to enter a password again. So by going over the menu, this is the device menu. So we can control the sound, we can control the volume of the ring, we can choose the audio device. If we connect now another audio device, we can choose which one to use. So in this situation, we are using the RxV Cam 360 speaker because we don't have anything else connected. Accessibility is for accessibility for the device, for people with limitations for seeing things closer. So we can increase the font size. This is a basic Android function that goes on the device. On the reboot, we can reboot the RxPad itself, we can reboot the MTR, or we can reboot both devices at the same time. Touchscreen, this will allow us to disable the touchscreen. This is for maintenance, for cleaning the screen. Once you will touch it again or press back, it will be turned on. About device. In the About device, we have all the device information. Since they are paired in the AudioCodes pairing process and Teams process, we have now the visibility to see the information of the MTR itself, meaning we can see not only our status, IP address and MAC, Wi-Fi, etc., and serial number, RxPad, we can see also the About front of home device. Or if I click here, I can see the IP address of the MTR it's connected to. I can see its MAC address, its Wi-Fi, its version, another Teams application informations, etc. for that. In the display, we can define the resolution output of the RxV200. This function is available only for the RxV200 and not for the RxV81. We can here define the resolution output to the screen according to what your screen is supporting to. We can define the CEC function. The CEC function is an ability that allows you to shut down the TV for power saving abilities when there is no one in the room. And since the RxPad has a motion sensor at the bottom of it, once you will get near to the device, the RxPad will be turned on, and also accordingly the MTR is connected to.